Welcome back to the channel. I've never asked for anything, and I'm not planning to start now. Honestly, I can't stand all those YouTubers who spend half their videos begging for subscriptions, donations, likes, or strategic comments. I'm not here to ask for anything. My self-esteem, luckily, doesn't depend on a thumbs up. If someone wants to do something, they should do it spontaneously. If you have to beg for it, it's worthless. That said, I decided to launch a shop, a store connected to the channel. Why? Because I like the idea, because it's fun, because I love free and open source software, and because I think that if I ever make some money from what I do here, it's only fair that the open source community benefits from it too. The way it works is really simple. 70% of the profits from every sale will be donated to open source projects. Always. Transparently. When you buy a generic t-shirt, or a t-shirt with messages related to open source in general, the donation will go to Debian through SPI, the organization that handles Debian's finances. But when you buy a t-shirt dedicated to a specific project, like Slackware, Gen2, XFCE, or others, the donation will go directly to that project. Every product clearly states how much is the total profit and how much will be donated. No surprises, no tricks, always 70%, always traceable. And of course, I will publicly share undeniable proof of every donation. As for prices, I've tried to keep them pretty reasonable. A t-shirt costs about £21, which is around $27 or $28. On every sale, the net profit is £4.75, about $6.20. Of that, £3.30, about $4.30 will be donated. I chose a store based in the UK because it allows worldwide shipping, and most importantly, because the quality is higher, both in terms of print area and product quality. I wasn't interested in cheap merchandising. A t-shirt should look good, should last, and should be a message. Donations will be made every 3 months. I will share all the data, number of sales, total profit, receipts of the donations, everything out in the open. And maybe one day it will be you, the community, who will decide through a vote which open source projects will receive the next donations. For now, we start with Debian, because if there's one project that truly deserves support, it's Debian. So that's the store. It's not just a t-shirt shop. It's a way to support, in a concrete way, the people who make the open source world possible. If you buy a t-shirt, you're not just buying a piece of cotton. You're making a choice. You're sending a message, and you're giving real support to a community that absolutely deserves it. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, and above all, thanks for being part of this story.